Hello, Chef here. We got these 5 awesome carrots. We're going to be rocking them here today. So the first thing I like to do is just start one by one. We're going to cut off the tops and the bottoms. And I'm going to pick both of these knives actually to use. First one, then the other. So let's start with the Global. Just a quick lever motion like this, the top and the bottom. Of course, these get saved in my stock bag. Okay, it's going to make a great stock. Same thing moving along here, just the top and the bottom. Okay, and I'm going to switch to the other knife here now. We've got the Turbo. Oh, wow. Nature's pattern. I like it. All right. So then the next thing, of course, is going to be the peeler. And I'm going to first peel this purple one just to show this to you. Wow. Of course, I'm going to save this peel because it's going to make my chicken stock ever so better. Really, really nice. These are pretty rare. Hard to get these really cool purple carrots like this. Look at the pattern right on that baby. Yeah. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the larger knife to cut this baby right in half because I want to see what the middle looks like, and I think you do too. So let's check it out, right down the middle. Oh, wow. Really, really cool. So anyway, that's the purple carrot. Really, really nice. Let's switch back to this knife and just give it a little bit of a cut that I can utilize in a recipe like this. Okay. This knife is really nice. These cuts are very, very smooth and consistent. Okay. Let's try this knife out now. Okay. So that's my purple carrot video right there. They're both really, really nice knives. Please leave a comment and tell us which knife you like more and why. All right, there's a lot more videos coming, and no matter what, try to seek these out. They're going to be good. Yeah. Get cooking and have a great day. Don't forget your sponsor right there. Watch the next few videos. If you need either of these, just check out your sponsor. They're having a sale. They give you free shipping. There's bonus gifts. There's all kinds of stuff there. So you'll be wise to shop there and check out the next few videos. You'll see these knives rocking and chopping in action. By the way, they're both razor sharp. A quick comparison on the sharpness here. Got some regular paper, but let's go a little further and fold it in half. So double paper, a little bit further, 4 layers of paper here, okay? So I'll show you the Turbo. All right. Can your knife do this? end grain maple butcher block. Wonderful surface for cutting, chopping, and cooking on.